The first step, we need to click function and make sure the iMark button is on. That means now we opened the iMark sensor function. Next step, we go to check the photo sensor. Here. Look, we turn the knob. We turn the knob to right. As left, we turn it to right. This position. We move the field. That is pre-mark. We move the field on the laser. Đi cái對準佢先，對準佢先。Now the laser is on the mark. Then we adjust this knob, the sensitive knob. We adjust the sensitive knob till the light off. Off. Okay. Then we move the field. When the pre-mark away from the laser, light on. When the laser on the mark, light off. Now we test it. Look, on, off, on, off. Okay? The setting is finished now. We go to start the machine. We make empty bags. We found, even though the iMark sensor is working, it's not cutting on the pre-mark, but the distance for each bag almost similar. Then we check this distance around 20 millimeters. You go to the iMark offset input around 25. Enter and make empty bag again. Come on. Now the pre-mark is cut. It's cutting the pre-mark now.